What if I told you that climate change wasn't just happening? It's actually speeding up. The hotter it gets, the worse it gets, and the harder it is to stop. This is due to self-reinforcing loops, where one disaster causes another, locking us away into runaway warming. One example is in the Arctic. Ice is melting faster than predicted. Less ice covering Earth's surface results in less sunlight being reflected back into space, and the Earth warms up even more. At the same time, permafrost is thawing, releasing trapped methane, which is a greenhouse gas 80 times stronger than CO2. Our oceans are heating up, killing off coral reefs and other aquatic systems which regulate the Earth's climate. As temperatures rise, extreme weather events become more common and severe. Wildfires will burn hotter and longer than before, releasing even more CO2. These feedback loops will reinforce one another, and eventually, the climate is going to run away from us. We won't be able to hit pause. Scientists have been warning us for years that if we pass 2 degrees Celsius of global warming, that we risk triggering irreversible damage to our planet's climate. Runaway climate change isn't just about taking care of the environment, it's also about taking care of us. When ecosystems and the environment collapse, entire economies will fail. Food and water will become scarce, and conflict between nations will become inevitable. And this isn't the future. It's already happening today. We've seen world leaders talk about climate change for decades now. Yet, year on year, except for the GFC in 2009 and COVID in 2020, the human race has continued to emit more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than the year before. But talking isn't enough. We need action at the scale of the problem. What we need is true global cooperation that isn't held hostage by short-term politics and national rivalries. And that's why I'm fighting for a seat for humanity. A seat at the table within the decision-making processes of countries when they are deciding on actions that will affect the entire human race. A voice that prioritizes survival over profit, action over delay, and solutions over excuses. Because the climate won't wait for us, so neither should we.